Hey guys, it's the Sod Monster back, and this is my very first video, and this is gonna be a scripting tutorial in Roblox Studio. Now it's not gonna be how to script some specific item. I'm gonna show you the basic things you need to know for scripting, for basic things. Sorry. I'm gonna show you some things you can make that I made with scripting. I made a guillotine, but I still have to fix that. Here's a door, a very slow blender. Okay, it can't be inserted, it says. There's a keycard door, and here's the card for it. Now I'm gonna put the spawn. Now you can already see a different thing about here. So you click, and then the door opens. And I made an access card and hold it out, slide it in there, open, go through. But now if I slide it here, it won't work. You have to slide it in here. These are things I made. Okay, so I'm gonna make a disco floor. I'm going to show you what you need. So you right click on anything, and then you hover over insert object, and this will be the list of things you can insert to it. Now since it's scripting, we can either do a local script or a normal script. The difference between a local script and script, the local script, whoever activates it, it only happens for them. A script, it happens for everyone at the same time. So I'm going to do a script because it's a disco floor. Now we'll bring up this page that says print hello world. Now my background's black. It will look different to yours because I changed mine. And now you hold Control and press A, and then it will have it highlight all of it, and then you press backspace. Now, let's start with this. A variable. Now what a variable is, it's something that you store some other thing into. So, if you had no variable, example, I could do script dot, I could do script dot game workspace dot part, and then I'd have to type that all the time, then say dot transparency, and I spelled that wrong. Now that would take forever to do it all the time unless I use copy and paste. But if you want to save some space, you would make a variable. So first you'd start with local, and then you do space, and this is where you do whatever you want. You just name it anything. I'm gonna name mine disco. Now instead of doing script.game.workspace.part, I do disco.transparency or whatever. That's the name. I'll do space equals game.workspace.part. Now that's the variable done. So local makes it quicker. Game is all of this. And if you're new to Roblox Studio, you have to go to View and click on Explorer and Properties, Output, and Command Bar. You don't have to do Command Bar. Well, if you want to do like specific little things, then you should use it. Now, local makes it run quicker than a normal variable. This is your name, equals, so it's going to the part in this. This is the Explorer, and this is Workspace. Now, under its Workspace, there's Camera, Terrain, Base Plate, and Part. That's why I do dot. So dot part. And Workspace is in the game, so I don't have to do dot part dot script. So that's the variable done. Now here, there's a thing called while true. I'm sorry if I'm typing slow or bad. I need to get used to the setup. While true, do, and then enter. Now we'll put an end. Whatever in between while true, do, and end is what it will function. So that's like a function. Now while true, do, it will repeat itself. So if I do while true, 2 plus 2 equals 4, I'm gonna cut and I'm gonna paste. Equals 4. If this, okay, I might have this wrong. I'm not used to this, but if anything's true, then it will function over and over. Now, if you don't do anything, it's always gonna function. So I'm gonna do disco, which is representing to my part in Workspace. It's gonna be the disco floor. And if you change the name of this part, you have to change this. So disco dot. Now if you want to change the color, there's a thing called brick color and dot new. So dot new is the new brick color you're gonna use. You're using a new brick color instead of this color. So dot brick color equals brick color dot new. I'm going to do brackets, and inside here I'm going to do the color. So you can go here, click on the part, or up here, click on it, and these are the colors. If you hover over it, it will say. So I'm going to make a change to really red, and it's going to wait a bit, and it's going to change to really blue, then it's going to change to lime green, and then to new yellow, and it's going to repeat that process. So let's make it default. So let's do really red, because that's the one I want it to be. And I forgot, you have to do quotation marks too. Sorry. And now, after that's done, you can press enter, and here's another function. It's called wait. So you just type in wait, brackets, and in between here you could do any number. You could do 0.5. Like you could do 0.5 or something. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do 0.8 seconds. Point is, and then you do number that's milliseconds. Now I'll do disco.brick color equals brick color dot new. Now we want it to be really blue. You have to be specific so it understands what you're trying to say. I'm gonna do wait 0.8 disco not brick color equals brick color dot new, and then we want it to be lime green. Perfect. We'll do another wait 0.8, and you could copy and paste this if you wanted to be quick, and then just change the color. So we're gonna do new yellow. Now I'm gonna do wait 0.8 seconds. Now I'm gonna do wait 0.8 seconds after this, so this still has time to go and it doesn't go instantly. So you could close this, but I'm not. Now anchoring, if you click on the part or select anything and click anchor, it won't move a single bit. If it's a car and you anchor, it won't move no matter what. So I'm going to anchor this. I'm going to set my spot on here. I'm going to hit play and let's see. Starts red, goes to blue, and then we'll repeat this process. I think I'm going to make it 1 second. And wait 1. Okay, now let's see. It's working well. Well, now it won't move. So the variable name in disco is referring to part, and that's why I want to change the color to. Or you could do equals script.parent. I think you can do that. I'm doing a while true do. Anything that's true will always repeat, but since nothing's true, it's just gonna do it no matter what. And if you're doing a while true do and you have no wait, it's gonna crash. If you're lucky, it won't crash if you have a good PC or desktop computer. So, brick color. Apparently you don't have to do an uppercase, but that's fine. And equals brick color. So this brick color will equal brick color dot new. So it's going to equal a new brick color. And then I'm going to do this. Just wait, I have to be right back. Listen to some music if you want. Okay, I'm back. Sorry that the video is super long. And you have to do brackets. Here you don't have to do a dot. Do brackets, quotation marks, and then the color, and be specific about your color. And that's it. So that's the basic to scripting. I'll probably make a new video on specific things. Like I'll do how to make a door, a sensor door. I can quickly show you the sensor door if I have it saved. I can try find it for you guys. I don't think I have it saved. I forgot to save it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.